All right, I think I am all good. So, good evening, everyone, no? And welcome, of course, to another First MetroSec webinar series. Of course, brought to you by your trusted partner in smart and seamless investing. Now, before we begin, I'd like, of course, to welcome we are actually 53 in the room, no? So I am hoping na madagdagan pa tayo as we go along the session. So I hope everyone here, we are all safe, comfortable, and of course have already enjoyed your dinner kahit medyo maaga pa. So of course, over the next hour, bubusugin namin kayo with some learning and insights because we will help you activate your pro mode since ito yung topic natin, o title for our session. And we will explore together the features of the first MetroSec Pro platform. And of course, we will also show you how to maximize them and of course to elevate your trading and investing experience. Now, some of you may actually already be familiar with the market education initiatives of the First MetroSec. So we are actually doing some on-site and hybrid events, no? And of course, we've reached out to schools, private institutions, and government organizations. But we do not stop there. We also continue to guide our existing First MetroSec clients by doing some series of platform navigation webinars just like this one. So again, this session is designed to help you maximize every feature of our platform so you can trade smarter, invest better, and of course, take charge of your financial journey. Now, before we begin, allow me to introduce, of course, your first Metro Securities team for this session. So, of course, you have me, Joanna Blanca Ramos. I am the Business Development Associate of First Metro Securities and I am based here in Mindanao. So, of course, if meron bang taga Mindanao dito, so maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. And of course, I am proud to be your host and your speaker for this evening's session. Joining me as well is our guest speaker, Miss Lady Diane Biscocho. She is the head of the Product Management Department of First Metro Securities, and later she will be sharing some valuable insights, and of course, she will be giving us also some hands-on walkthrough of the new features of the First Metro Sec Pro platform. And of course, we are also joined by Tim from our digital channels and marketing team, no? So he will be providing some technical support throughout the webinar. So if you encounter any issues or have questions along the way, feel free to use our chat box and Tim will be happy to assist you. And of course, before we dive into our evening session, let's go over a few friendly reminders lang to make sure everyone enjoys a safe and interactive webinar experience. So first is to stay engaged. We've actually prepared a few icebreakers all throughout the session. So feel free to join by using Zoom's chat box and reaction buttons. Second, if you have questions, please use the Q&A panel so we can easily track and address them later. Of course, chat responsibly for us to keep our discussions productive and on topic. Fourth, be respectful and professional at all times. And of course, finally, do not forget to complete our post-webinar survey because your feedback will really help us improve and bring you even better learning experiences next time. And of course, may I add that AI note-taking tools are discouraged and disabled during this session. So because we want to encourage everyone to focus and learn directly from the discussion. And now this session is actually open to all First MetroSec clients. So whether you already have access to Pro or are still exploring it, so you are very welcome in this evening session. And remember, we actually ask you during the registration, if you have a few questions we can address. So here are some of the interesting responses we received. So basically, the objectives of this webinar are designed to address those very questions you shared. So such as how to navigate the first MetroSec Pro platform, ano yung advantages of its key features, and how to use Pro efficiently. And even for some, they are just still in the process of discovering Pro. So they just want to get a better understanding of what First MetroSec Pro is all about. So by the end of the session, we hope you'll gain valuable insights and feel more confident in using, of course, First MetroSec Pro. Now, since nga open ito sa lahat ng First MetroSec clients, and we understand that some of you might not have access to Pro platform. So from here, let me just give you a quick idea lang no, of what Pro platform looks like. So as we go through it along naman the webinar, you will discover the differences. And since I mentioned kanina that we will be having some icebreakers along the way, so maybe you can use our chat box and try to identify what features stand out or kung ano yung something sa tingin ninyo different or something new sa platform. So sa ating left side, that is our first MetroSec Pro platform. And on the right side, that is the first MetroSec My. So maybe some of you here can actually share no, kung ano sa tingin nila yung difference because at first glance talaga, you can see the difference nung dashboard. Because personally for me, I also love the dashboard of First MetroSec Pro platform. So we have here from Sir Michael, night mode. Yes, that is correct. Later, I will be sharing kung ano yung night mode and of course, the color. So from the quick glance, there's a difference talaga with the interface. And later, we will discover kung ano yung interface na yun. Okay? Now, you might be wondering, especially to our attendees, kung ano yung first MetroSec Pro and why should you go Pro? So maybe some of you here can share with me kung sino yung gumagamit ng Pro and My. So basically, ano ba yung mas ginagamit ninyo na platform? So if ever, whether you are using the Pro ba or whether you are using My or Go, ayun, sige. Ayun. So may gumagamit ato si Sir Paul. So he is actually one of the suki na no sa mga webinars ni First MetroSec and gladly yan gumagamit na din siya ng Pro. And eto meron din gumagamit ng My. Ayan, sige. So ayun, what exactly is First MetroSec Pro? So First MetroSec Pro is the most advanced online stock trading platform specifically designed for the Philippine market. So Pro delivers cutting-edge features tailored for active traders. So meaning, if you are serious about trading, the First MetroSec platform is built just for you. Second, it allows you, or it gives you fast and real-time data for you to stay ahead of the market insights when it comes to price updates, live charts, and market depth insights, for you to make informed trading decisions. And lastly, the platform allows you to trade faster and smarter because you can actually execute trades with lightning speed. And of course, you can also position or monitor your positions with precision. And of course, optimize your strategy with Pro's advanced tools. Now, another question we actually received is what are the requirements to gain access to First MetroSec Pro? And it's actually very simple. So we have these qualifications and you must actually reach kahit one lang of the criteria that I will be mentioning. So the first one, you just need to trade a cumulative amount of at least 100,000 pesos. So whether buying or selling within the month. Second criteria is to maintain a stock or funds portfolio of at least 200,000 pesos. So again, if you meet any of the criteria, kahit isa lang, meaning you are eligible na to have access to First MetroSec Pro. Now, access to First MetroSec Pro is actually not automatic. You must first email customer service, for us to review if your account is eligible. So email us at customerservice@firstmetrosec.com.ph. Now, to make it even easier, team will also be sharing the access link sa ating chat box. So you can check it out anytime during the session. So again, hindi siya automatic. You must notify us first. All right. And now let's go to the how to access First MetroSec Pro. That is actually very easy. So just open your preferred browser. So meaning Chrome, Safari, or Edge, Pro works on all those browsers. And go to pro.firstmetrosec.com.ph. And from there, you can log in using your existing First MetroSec account. Now, this session will be a little different from the ones we've conducted from our previous sessions. If before we did a live navigation of the platform and try to cover as many features as possible, in this evening, we will only be focusing on features that are exclusively available sa First MetroSec Pro. So paano namin siya gagawin? How do we do this? We will be showing you screenshots of the platform along with the step-by-step guides on where to access each feature. So feel free to take a screenshot, or maybe if you have access na sa Pro, you can do a side-by-side navigation with us. Okay, so let us start. So I have here the dashboard of First MetroSec Pro. One of the best things actually about First MetroSec Pro is how it perfectly balances simplicity with power, making your trading experience smoother, faster, and more efficient. So at first glance, you might feel a bit overwhelmed by all the numbers you see on the screen as well as the data provided, no? But do not worry. We ensure that all of this data serves a valuable purpose and can truly help you make smarter and more informed decisions. And that's why we conduct sessions like this para you can utilize the platform. So the first thing you will notice, and I would like to reiterate also, is the First MetroSec Pro tabs. So if you will notice yung mga tabs, the availability of more tabs right on the dashboard, sa May kasi some of these were tucked under sub-tabs. But in Pro, they are now instantly available, giving you a quick and convenient access to key market data. So with this setup, you can actually execute trades with lightning speed, monitor your positions, again with precision, and of course, optimize your trading strategy. So if pansin ninyo, sa May, meron tayong home and quotes, trade, portfolio, so that's 7 tabs lang. With Pro, meron tayong, I think, 10 tabs. Okay? All right. So next is we will begin experiencing the platform starting with its user interface. So you will immediately notice how everything feels more organized and of course easy to navigate. Now let us first start with the hotkeys. Yung hotkeys natin, basically yun yung shortcut keys. Now, with the shortcut keys, they are designed actually for effortless navigation. So you can speed things up, and perform key actions instantly. So whether it's placing trades, meron tayong shortcut key for that, switching tabs, and also monitoring your portfolio. So actually, active traders value speed, precision, and convenience. So the shortcut keys are actually very helpful. Next is we have the customizable theme. So that is the first thing you notice when you log in sa platform because of the night mode na napansin ninyo. But with First MetroSec Pro, you actually have 3 options to customize your theme or the website. So whether you prefer the white one, gray one, or the black one. So it lets you personalize your interface to match your style and of course your comfort. So this means that you can actually trade in an environment that feels just right for you. So whether you feel or prefer a clean one, so you go for white. If you want a bright look or a sleek look, you go for gray. And dark setup, if you want yung easy on the eyes lang, lalo na if you monitor the market day in, day out, buong trading day. Okay, so we have here the customizable themes. Next is we have the portfolio glance. Now again, this feature lets you monitor your portfolio performance in real time, giving you a quick snapshot of your investments at a glance. So it lets you track your gains easily, as well as your losses and gains, and also check your overall portfolio. So again, just like what I said, real time siya. So if you notice, rightmost part of this screenshot, you have this lightning icon. So you can just click that lightning icon para updated yung inyong portfolio. Okay, next is we have the sidebar and the right strip. So sa my platform, only yung right strip is available. But with First MetroSec Pro, you actually have the flexibility to customize your view. So you can choose to display either one or show both or even hide them completely for a full immersive trading experience. So just like the example I have here, no, so hidden yung side strip and right strip. So clicking them respectively will hide or show these tabs. Again, it gives you a full control of your workspace so you can focus on what matters most to you. Next is we have the projected prices feature. Now, this one, actually available siya sa lahat ng platforms ni First MetroSec, but I just wanted to highlight it because it is very useful and maybe some of you are not familiar with the projected price feature. Now again, projected price feature, it shows you the estimated opening price of the stock during the 30-minute pre-open and the projected closing price during the 5-minute pre-close. So it appears when a stock's best bid and offer price intersect, and it also gives the traders an early edge to spot potential movers and act on opportunities before the market opens or closes. So again, for you to have an idea lang kung ano yung possible opening and closing price ng isang stock. So that is projected price. You can actually check the projected price in two ways. So the first one we have in this example is under the market tab. So you go sa market tab and then beside market pressure, there is the projected price. Next is you can also spot projected price under stock tab. So you go here, stock, and then actually it's visible across all of the sections. So whether you check on stock info, time and sales, volume review, buyers and sellers, you can actually see projected price. So again, if open na yung market, projected price is not available. All right. So next feature we have here is the flows info. Flows info is under the market tab. So ano ba yung purpose ng flows info? This feature lets you monitor the flow of foreign and local funds in real time. So it shows you yung foreign buy, foreign sell, foreign net, as well as yung local net activity of each stock. So basically, it gives you an idea or it's one way for you to check how powerful or to see where the action is happening in the market. So with this data, you can easily spot local and foreign participation and identify which stocks are actually driving the market. Again, it's under market and flows info. Next feature we have is the market pressure. Now, market pressure is still under the market tab. This feature lets you view each of the stock's price range. So ito yung nasa left side. So you can actually see the stock's opening, high, and closing prices. So from that view, it gives you a quick snapshot of how the stock moved throughout the trading day. And also you can visualize on the right side naman, you can visualize the bid and ask volumes of the different stocks, helping you see whether the buying or selling pressure is stronger. So again, it's a great way to gauge market sentiment and identify which stocks are being actively bought or sold. That's why kaya siya market pressure. Again, the market pressure is under the market tab. Next is we have the VWAP or volume weighted average price. Now this one available din siya sa lahat ng platforms. However, I want to reiterate this one also. So this feature actually worth highlighting siya. So VWAP gives you a more accurate view of a stock's average price throughout the trading day by factoring in both price and trading volume. So you can find the volume weighted average price under stock tab. Okay. Next feature we have is broker activity. Now, all platforms meron siyang broker activity. However, with First MetroSec Pro, it allows you to filter or you have more filter options, no? So It allows you to analyze brokers' trading activity in detail, helping you spot patterns and gain insights into potential direction of a stock or overall market. Now, with Pro, you can actually refine your view using the transaction filter that is found sa right side of the platform. So this is where you can choose to display the following: all transactions, or if you want to check yung cross transactions lang, or no process, the net transactions, and the filtered results. Now, yung filtered results, meron din naman siyang other option. So as you can see here, you can easily filter trades by transaction. So whether that is a buy, a sell, or a cross, and then choose the region on that you want to check. If you want ba yung local or the foreign transactions lang. Order type as well if it's intentional or automatic, and the block size as well. So again, the purpose of this broker activity with First Metrosec Pro is it allows you to spot patterns lang of the different brokers. So if you follow a certain broker and you want to understand the insights from them and the potential direction of the stock, so you can actually check the broker activity. Next feature we have is the new highs and lows section. It is under the index tab. So again, the new highs and lows section, this helps you spot which stocks have reached their 1 month or 52-week highs and lows. It gives you a quick sense of the market strength or weakness. So again, stocks in the green indicates new highs, and of course, stocks in the red marks new lows. So it's a great way for you to identify yung mga strong performers sa market and also yung potential turnaround opportunities sa market as well. Again, we have there the new highs and lows under the index tab. Next is we have insider trades. Again, this one, it is under stats, analytics, shares, and you go to insider trades. Now, this feature lets you monitor trades made by company insiders. So again, these are trades by executives, directors, or major shareholders. So it shows insider buying and selling activity over different time periods. So meron tayong 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months. Now, why is this important? Insider transactions can actually give you clues about management confidence in their company's future performance. So for instance, if yung insider buying natin might signal optimism, while insider selling could suggest the opposite naman. Next is we have the share buyback session. So still under stats, analytics, shares, and this one, share buybacks. So this shows the amount of shares repurchased by listed companies over different time periods. So meron pa rin tayong 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months. Now, share buybacks are often seen as positive signal since companies usually repurchase their shares when they believe yung stocks nila is undervalued. Or another is to boost lang the shareholder value. So you can actually or easily spot which firms are actively buying their shares and helping you gauge management performance or confidence in their own company. So if you are more of the fundamental side, this share buyback section will actually give you some insights about the management confidence dun sa kanilang stocks. And next is we have the research tab. Now, the research tab, available din siya sa lahat ng platforms ni First Metrosec. However, I just want to highlight the newest report from our research team, that is the dividend dashboard report. So again, to access this one, you just have to go sa research tab and then look for other reports. And the report title is dividend dashboard. Now, ano bang meron sa dividend dashboard? The dividend dashboard is your weekly guide to income-focused investing. It is designed to help you spot opportunities, monitor potential plays, and stay cautious where needed. So this report highlights the first one, top dividend picks with strong fundamentals and visible upside. Second, stocks that our research team are watching that merit an equal weight rating. And lastly, high yield names that may look attractive but carry some risk. So this report is published every first day of the trading week. And then again, this report is perfect for those dividend investors, no? Because actually very useful din siya. Aside from the other dividend reports we have sa platform. Again, best part, access to these reports is completely free. So if you have an account with us, you can access them whether sa Pro, sa My, or sa Go app. So you just have to go to Research tab, First Metro Sec, and Other Reports section. Okay? And we also have here the Trade tab. Now, the Trade tab, basically when you open that section, it displays by default, the top 10 levels by the stocks, no? With an option to show only yung top 5. Kumbaga, sa side, merong top 10, meron ding top 5. However, with the first MetroSec Pro, you have access to these two, the full depth and order book. Now, with full depth, the full depth allows you to view or see all of the posted price levels for both buying or selling of a stock. So meaning from the time the market opened until it closed, you will be able to see all of the price levels. So this gives you a clearer picture of the market activity and liquidity as well. It also helps you identify kung saan yung demand and supply levels ng isang stock. Next is we have the order book tab. So this one, it takes a step further. If yung ating full depth is per price level, this one is breaking down each price level naman into individual orders, showing you the number of shares per order. So as you can see, no, in this example, you might check, sabihin natin sa ask side, merong dalawang entries ng 106.70. So if you go sa full depth, you will see yung volume nito, dalawa. So basically, it gives you a more granular view lang of the market activity. It also helps you identify where large or strategic orders are sitting. So again, that is the advantage of the first MetroSec Pro platform. It allows you, no, or it gives you that details or information or detail na hindi available sa floor traders. It gives you an edge when analyzing yung market depth and order flow. And ayan, so again, we've come to the part of the session na meron tayong icebreaker. So before we continue, let's make things more interactive naman. So far, we've actually explored quite a few features inside the first MetroSec Pro platform. So I am just curious, no, ano so far yung favorite feature ninyo? So maybe you can share your thoughts sa ating chat box. So for me, my favorite feature so far sa first MetroSec Pro is yung order tab and of course the new research. Ayan, so same po tayo Sir Ralph, yung order book. So I hope you can explore, no, the order book. Ayan, so meron tayong calculator, the research, and then the research tab. So again, everyone, feel free to explore all of the research available, no? And then yes, dividend info. Ayun, so I think majority of you here wants to know more about the trades, no? So by this time, let me just give the floor na to our speaker. But before that, to continue lang, no, we will be diving deeper pa into the next part of our discussion. So again, allow me to welcome our guest speaker, Ms. Diane Viscocho. So Ms. Diane is an alumna of the University of the Philippines, Los Baños, where she graduated with honors in development communication in 2019. She joined First Metro Securities in 2020 and now heads its product management department. Ms. Diane is a certified trust personnel and a certified unit investment trust fund salesperson under the Trust Institute Foundation of the Philippines and a licensed fixed income market salesman under the Securities and Exchange Commission. She holds an executive diploma in cybersecurity from De La Salle College of St. Benilde and certifications in full stack web development from Zurich. So currently, she is pursuing her master's degree in finance at UP. So, Miss Diane, I'll give the floor to you whenever you are ready.
Thank you, Jo. I'm very happy to be spending this evening with you, our pro users, and most importantly, our future pro users. Yeah, good evening again, everyone. I'm Diane, and I'll be walking you through some of our latest features, along with a few existing pro features that we usually get questions about. So this session is really all about helping you make the most out of Pro, no? Uh, uh, short intro lang about me. I'm part of the product team. We handle the testing and vetting of features before they reach you. So every new feature we launch is designed with you, the investor in mind, no? We continue to improve and develop our platforms because of you, no? Your feedback, your ideas, your needs, and of course your trust, no? With that said, let's get started. Miss Jo, if you could please help me out, no? Let's go to the next slide, please. Thank you. I'm sure some of you already have access to Pro, so you might have already seen our latest chart enhancements, no? We currently, just a quick recap, no? We currently have 4 charts on Pro. You might already be familiar with interactive chart. That's by TradingView. Chart pattern, and of course dynamic chart and active trader. Now, all of these charts are designed to help you do your technical analysis. So, kayo na yung bahalang pumili, no, kung ano yung gusto nyong gamitin. For trading view charts, as you may know, or if you're already familiar with it, it has a wide range of drawing tools, which some investors actually prefer. May iba kasi manual pa, di ba? Manual sila naghahanap ng patterns sa price chart. So if you're that type of investor, then you might enjoy using trading view charts. And then for chart pattern naman, it recognizes the trading events for you. In case you don't want to do it manually, no, yung maghanap ng ikaw na lang. Let the system or let the chart do it for you. So another interesting feature than the chart feature, no, you can set up email alerts through it. So, anyways, I digress, no. For this session, I really want to highlight the newest features that are embedded on Dynamic Chart and Active Trader. Starting with chart trading. Miss Jo, can you please go to the next slide, please? Thank you. All right. So chart trading allows you to do technical analysis and execute trades simultaneously without the need for you to switch between multiple screens. Di ba usually yung current na experience nyo ngayon, you visit the chart tab and then you switch to the trade tab to place an order. Now it's a bit more seamless. You can just click that trade button. Ayan, yung nasa upper right corner ng dynamic chart screen nyo. You can just click that trade button, then you can now enter a limit order. Quick disclaimer, currently this is limited to ordinary limit orders. Let's go to the next slide, Miss Jo. All right. Actually, you can also drag the, oh, my apologies. Let's go back, please, to the previous slide. Thank you. You can actually drag that price arrow, yung pointer na nakikita nyo. You can drag that price arrow dun sa price axis nyo, then the limit price will move. Sayang hindi ko ma-demo ngayon no? Pero you can play around with it, no? And then you can also collapse or display yung side panel by clicking that collapse button at the lower right of your screen. And then you'll be able to see your portfolio. Pati yung open orders in case meron kayo. And then of course, no, same naman kahit sa chart or sa trade tab ka pa mag-open. If your limit order is still open o kaya partially filled pa lang, you can still make changes or cancel the unfilled volume. Again, for this feature, this is only limited to limit orders at the moment. All right. Chart trading is available on both Dynamic Chart and Active Trader. I want to proceed now to Active Trader. Miss Jo, if you could please move to the next slide. I believe we released this early this year, no? If my memory serves me right, no? So, quick question. What is Active Trader ba? I like to think of this as the fully realized version of Dynamic Chart, no? It allows you to do a lot of things. So, daanan lang natin yung major features ng Active Trader, no? I want to start with the... Sige, Miss Jo, let's move to the next slide, please. Okay, let's start with the trade blotter. So as the name suggests, no, this is a live running list of completed or failed or match orders, showing the time, the price, and the volume. So dito pa lang, may quick view ka na ng market activity. Plus, it's color-coded to signal the market sentiment, no? So gray, neutral, alam nyo na to. Green, pag buyer-driven yung trades, and then red, pag seller-driven. So, essentially, no need for you to switch to a different tab, diba? Kasi dito pa lang kita mo na siya. Let's move to the next slide, please. Okay, next is the money flow. So, this is a pie chart that visualizes the proportion of buy versus sell trades based on the recent market activity. So, this is essentially just a different presentation, no? It's not a line graph na eh. It's a pie chart. So, it gives you a very quick glimpse of the money flow, no? Sige, Miss Jo, let's move to the next slide. Thank you. Market depth shows you the current spread between the best bid and ask price. It shows you where most buyers and sellers are placed and how tight the spread is. Ano nga ba ulit yung spread? Mabilis lang, quick recap, no? I'm sure you know this already. Yung spread is the difference between the highest bid price and the lowest ask price. So the smaller the spread, usually ito yung yung preference ng mga traders or ng mga investors, no? Kasi this signifies more liquidity and usually better trading conditions. Whereas if yung wider spread naman, 'di ba, on the opposite spectrum can mean fewer trades and more price uncertainty. So that's what this gives you. Let's move to the next slide, please. Next is the order book. Syempre, if you have a blotter of the match orders, meron din tayo for active and open orders, no? So order book shows you the active buy and sell orders at various price levels. Again, very convenient kasi you don't need to switch to trade tab, diba? So you can do it all in one screen, no? Miss Jo, let's move to the next slide. Thank you. Okay. Another great feature to note, no? You can now display dividend markers in the price chart. So to do this, no, you simply turn on that dividend toggle under the events tab. Okay, let's move to the next slide, please. Ayan, ito one of my favorite features as well, no? Active Trader has a wide library of indicators that you can use, all under the Studies tab. So you can make these indicators appear in the price chart, no? So if you want to know the specific or if you want to know what a specific indicator does, nakikita nyo ba yung small information icon? Ayan yung tinuturo nung ano natin, no? When you click that information icon, let's go to the next slide. Ayan. A tooltip telling you what that indicator does will appear. Okay? And then, if you want to use an indicator, click Add Study. Sige, punta tayo sa next slide, ma'am. Ayan. And then, of course, you can customize how you want it to appear on the price chart, no? So, palitan nyo yung kulay, diba? Gawin yung pink. Sige, next slide tayo, ma'am. And then when you hit enter, ayan na, lumabas na siya dun sa price chart. Diba? So it's very simple. This would assist you when you're doing your technical analysis. Okay. Again, with Active Trader, every tool you need is right where you need it. So it's really designed not to make your trading experience smoother, seamless, and alam mo yun, less friction, diba? Okay. Now, sige, Miss Jo, let's move to the next slide. Thank you so much. Now I want to walk you through the conditional orders that are available in Pro. Yung order triggers other or OTO or auto and order cancels other or OCO. Again, let's move to the next slide, please. Okay, sige. Quick recap lang ulit tayo, no? How is a conditional order different from an ordinary limit order? Limit order, syempre, alam na alam nyo na to. You enter the price and the volume and then it gets sent to the exchange for matching at the price you set unless may better price. So very very simple, di ba? Straightforward naman yung limit order. We know this. Pero pag conditional order, you are able to set triggers. Di ba? Parang may condition na dapat masatisfy bago i-activate yung order mo. Okay? So, what does that mean for you? 'Di ba? Number one, yung pinaka-advantage nito for me, you don't need to monitor the market constantly. Okay? Number two, you won't miss market opportunities kasi you're letting the system do it for you. 'Di ba? Tapos dito na din, consequence na din ito, or not consequence. Pero, 'di ba, since you're letting the system do it for you, may trading discipline ka. 'Di ba? Kasi wala namang emotion yung system eh. Hindi na magbabago-bago yung isip niya na, ayoko na palang mag-sell. Tataas pa. Gets ba? Parang you're letting the system do it for you. So, yung trading discipline, you'll be able to really practice it, no? So, in other words, conditional orders let you plan your trades ahead and execute your trading strategies with confidence. Okay? Sige, let's move to the next slide. I want to talk about OCO first. Ayan. Actually, you can hover ulit dun sa question mark icon beside the order tab. And that will display a tooltip which tells you what OCO is. OCO is a combination of stop limit and limited touch. Then whichever gets triggered first will be posted while the other is canceled. Simplihan natin. Sa OCO, dalawang trigger prices yung pwede mong iset. Two trigger prices relative to the last price. One side, mas mataas sa last price, and then one side, mas mababa sa last price. Then, yung trigger prices mo, syempre may kapares yan na limit price. Ano ulit yung limit price? This is the price where your order will be posted. So, kung buyer ka, of course, this is the maximum price you're willing to buy a stock for. And then kung seller ka, syempre, the minimum you're willing to sell a stock for, no? So, again, in OCO, apat na prices yung isa-set mo. Dalawang triggers and dalawang limit prices. So, ano ulit yung condition? Balikan lang natin, no? Whichever trigger price is reached first, the corresponding limit order will be activated while the other is automatically canceled. So, in the end, isang order lang yung ma-activate. Okay. Okay. So, when should you use this? Sige, pag-usapan natin, mabilis lang mabilis lang. Pag-usapan natin yung use cases for this. So, yung pinaka-apparent is if you want to protect yourself against whipsaw movements, no? If you're a buyer, sabihin natin you're a buyer and you're not sure of the price direction, you might want to use this. For example, no, you want to buy once the price drops. Or, if the price rallies instead. Diba? Pwede nga ito, for example, may binabantayan mo yung resistance, tapos pag na-breach yun, hindi mag-buy ka. Diba? Now, on the flip side naman, if you're a seller, you can use this to cut loss. Diba? You can place the trigger at support, then pag na-breach yun, sell na to cut loss. Actually, OCO and the stop limit, you can use no for cut loss. Okay. Let's move to the next slide. Okay. Mahaba-haba siya. OTO or order triggers other on, diba? Or OTO, on the other hand, iba naman yung ano nito. It works differently, no? This is still a conditional order, but you won't be asked to set up a trigger price. Okay? It's a pair of limit orders at the opposite side of the market. Pero sige, simplihan natin para, ano, para maintindihan natin, no? Yung mismong condition mo dito, not the trigger price. Yung condition mo dito is the matching or the filling of your primary order. Then once that primary order is filled, your secondary order will be activated, no? I mentioned opposite side of the market. So ito ay buy and sell pair. Or baliktad, sell and buy pair, no? So, gets nyo na yan. If your primary order is buy, then your secondary order is sell. Again, I want to emphasize, ito ay pares ng limit orders. Kasi some investors get it confused eh. If you need an order type or a conditional order type with triggers, don't use OTO. Try using OCO, kaya yung stop limit at limit if touch natin. Okay. Actually, we will be releasing a fully realized version of OTO, no? We call it Otoko or OTO CO. It will essentially allow you to pair a primary limit with a secondary OCO order. So very exciting stuff, no? But let's go back to OTO. Again, short, ano lang, a short summary lang. For OTO, you need to input two limit orders. Syempre, pati yung volume net expiry nyo, ilagay nyo na din. Kailan ba pwedeng gamitin si OTO? When you want to buy on dips, no? Say, for example, you have an existing share of XYZ stock, and then nakita mo, bumababa yung presyo, but you're confident na, ay, tataas ulit yan. So, you want to take advantage of the temporary dip. So, what you can do, you can sell, yung primary mo is sell, di ba? Sell order. You can sell some shares to free up or at least increase your buying power, and then buy back ka na lang at a lower price. Okay. By the way, no, I believe we have dedicated webinars on trading strategies. Maybe Miss Jo will talk about it later. We're just here to talk about the functionalities, no, the capabilities, and of course the limitation of the system. No, we have an in-house experts who can guide you better when it comes to trading strategies. Okay. Okay. Next slide. Okay. This is the last feature that I want to showcase. No. Historical portfolio, which you can access through the portfolio tab. Next slide, please. To get the full portfolio view, don't forget to click that icon at the top right of your screen, no? Yung nasa rightmost side, no? Pindutin niyo yun para makita niyo yung may chart sa ilalim. Okay, next slide, please. What does this do for you? Number one, well, you can easily monitor how your investments are distributed across different asset classes, no? So, makikita mo dyan yung stock holdings mo, yung funds holding mo, and of course, bonds if you have any, no? Sige, ma'am, let's move to the next slide. It also allows you to see your portfolio's past performance through a line chart. So, you can simply, you can simply hover your pointer in the portfolio chart rather, to a specific date. And then may tooltip or may popover na lalabas with that day's P&L, diba? With this feature, hopefully, no, you can make smarter and informed investment decisions. Actually, that wraps up my presentation. Thank you everyone, and good evening. Miss Jo?
All right. Thank you so much, Miss Tayano, for sharing yung most we received questions about conditional orders as well as yung consolidated portfolio. So I hope the attendees were able to get know how to do conditional orders. So again, everyone, hope those insights we shared actually help you how to maximize the first MetroSec Pro platform. But now, before we go through our Q&A, let us just give Miss Diane a quick breather. No? So again, if you have questions related to the features we've shared, especially dun sa conditional orders, sa portfolio review, feel free to use our Q&A panel. For at least we can track the questions we receive and we will be able to answer them right away then. So of course, before that, let me just share to you a few things about First Metro Sec. So again, to everyone here, we all know no, that First Metro Sec, we truly value your convenience. That is why we have a multi-asset platform. So meaning whether you want to invest in stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, bonds, or REITs, you can actually do it all in just one account with First Metro Sec. So there is no need to jump between different platforms or providers. With First Metro Sec, you just need to grow and manage your investments all in one place. So again, it's efficient, accessible, and of course, designed with your financial goals in mind. And of course, we have more free webinars lined up just for you. So again, these webinars are designed to help you grow your knowledge and confidence in investing. So to register, you just simply click the link no, that team will be sharing sa ating chat box. And again, you can sign up to as many sessions as you can. And these are all free. So take advantage of the opportunity to learn from the different topics and different speakers as well. You can also invite us for a free financial literacy session. So all you have to do is to email at marketeducation@firstmetrosec.com.ph so we can customize financial and investment literacy session for individuals, groups, no, small groups, students, and organizations, even corporate, no. So feel free to send us an invite to the email address I sent. Now, stay connected with us even after today's webinar. So just search for our official handle at First MetroSec on your favorite platforms. So this is where we regularly post market updates, yung mga important announcements, and most importantly, yung mga webinars to support your investing journey. Now, you can also check our Spotify channel. This is where we share some audio learning on the go, no? Perfect if you are just commuting or siguro nagluluto or naglalaba kayo, no? So you can just listen to those bite-sized audio learnings. And of course, if you missed any of our past webinars, you just head over to our official YouTube channel where you can replay them anytime and anywhere. Now, okay, we've come to the question and answer part no, of our session. So again, just like what I mentioned kanina, during the registration, we ask you to submit some advanced question and actually we will be prioritizing them. But after this one, we will go na sa ating Q&A panel. So if you have questions, feel free to share it sa ating Q&A Zoom box. Okay, so for the first one, actually, we just collated this one, no? So all of these questions related siya on how to access or how to gain access of First MetroSec Pro. So again, for the benefit of those who joined late na no, sa webinar, let me just share it again. The requirements are this. You can actually get at least one lang, no, or be eligible of the one criteria, no? So trade a cumulative amount of at least 100,000 pesos, whether buying or selling within the month. And also the second one is maintain a stock or fund portfolio of at least 200,000 pesos. So again, if you meet any one of the requirements, you have to email customer service at firstmetrosec.com.ph or access the link that the team will be sharing sa ating chat box. So again, hindi siya automatic. You have to notify us first. And now the second question, actually again, may mga similar questions. This one will be answered by Miss Diane. So can I see all the feature in First MetroSec Pro using cell phone? And the other is, can we maximize the functions using mobile phone?
Yes, you can use your mobile, no, to access First MetroSec Pro. You might have to use your your phone's web browser to do so.
Right.
Or better yet, i-download nyo na lang din yung app natin. But I understand no, na some are on the go always so they would prefer the mobile experience.
Yes. Actually, very useful din yung First MetroSec Pro Go platform. Okay, next question is more about account related naman. How to get and print portfolio reports that can help us monitor and track our portfolio. And then the second one is how to access the monthly statement of account. So let me just quickly share to you no, how to go sa ating account tab. So you have here sa ating dashboard, so just go to the account tab and then you have these options to check yung deposits, withdrawals, corporate actions, and reports. Now, isa-isahin lang natin. With the deposits, you can actually have a quick access sa mga mobile banking. So if you click any of this link, you will be redirected sa online banking nung bank na yun. So withdrawals, if you want to make withdrawals from your First Metrosec account, so you go to this tab. Corporate actions, if you want to subscribe sa mga IPOs, so lalo na yung Maynilad, may upcoming tayo na Maynilad IPO. Also, tender offers, follow-on offerings, and stock rights. So just go sa corporate actions. And to get a copy of your statement of account, so you have to go sa reports and then you will be notified or merong mag-prompt na warning telling you that you will be redirected to the statements website. Now, this is what the statements website looks like. So from here, you have access to your SOA, official receipt for your funding transactions, credit memo, if meron na credit na mga dividends, debit memo if you request siguro portfolio certification or stock transfer, check voucher for your withdrawals, and of course, confirmation of sale or bond certificates if you invest in bonds through First Metrosec. Kasi you can actually invest in bonds and funds through us. Okay, so I hope that's clear, no? All right. So this one goes to Miss Diane. It's more about the fees naman. So what is the cost of using this platform? Also, is there an additional fee for the pro? And will you be increasing your fees?
Okay. There's no cost in using the Pro platform, no? As long as you qualify or as long as you become eligible. That's it. And hindi naman namin charge yan eh. Kasi you still get to use it, di ba? If you fund it, yung cash balance nyo, you'll be able to use it for your trading activities. We don't charge. Is there an additional fee? No. Will you be increasing? No. No.
All right, thank you, Miss Diane. So again, everyone, if you have an account with us, all of the features you see from the research mo, lahat for free lang yan siya. And we won't be increasing fees as well. Okay, so another questions we received, no, these are more of stock-related inquiries. So again, people are asking or attendees are asking if ano yung mga stock recommendations and then what do we think, what's gonna happen sa economy. So I would like to redirect you sa ating Traders Playbook Special series, no, or webinar rather. So it is actually available na sa aming official YouTube channel. So you just scan the QR code or maybe, sorry, Tim can share no, the quick access to the webinar. So this is where we focus on equities and our research team also shared their outlook and strategy updates sa Philippine market. So again, just head over sa aming official YouTube channel and check this webinar. Can I open another First Metrosec account for retirement planning purposes? Actually, you can have multiple accounts with First Metrosec, a maximum of 4, I think. So, depende na sa inyo, no, if ano yung purpose of each account. But you can have it for retirement or yung everyday expenses siguro. Should be on your part na lang that be able to handle those accounts, no? Keep the password, and then information to yourself para at least hindi naman available sa iba din. Okay, so again, you can have a maximum of 4 accounts with us. Next question, again, for Miss Diane. So the difference between Go App and the First Metrosec Pro user?
User interface, no, siguro.
I think user interface.
Go app, most of the features in our mobile app is Pro inspired, but you get the you get the premium experience, no, with our Pro web platform. So I guess I saw some questions then. Are we planning to roll out yung parang pro version sa mobile app? That's something that well, that's always in the works. But as of the moment, wala pa tayo nun. We can work with what we have. The main difference, syempre, mas comprehensive yung features na available sa web platform natin, sa pro web platform natin. And plus, kasi you have to qualify, di ba, to access Pro. Pero sa Go, kahit you have access to the default trading platform namin, you also get, kasama na yan, may access ka na din sa mobile app namin. No? So there's no additional eligibility requirements to access Go.
All right, thank you, Miss Diane. So, we will now go sa ating live questions. No? So, I think we will first answer this one. So, maybe, Miss Diane, you can answer. So, should the trigger price be always higher than the limit price?
For conditional orders. No, not necessarily. Tandaan po natin yung trigger price, yung pwesto niyan kung either higher or lower, relative to the last price. Yung limit price, kahit saan mo yan ilagay actually. Papayagan ka ng system. Pero syempre, if you want, kung dapat realistic din yung pagsaset mo para ma-fill pa rin yan, di ba? Kung gusto mo ma-fill talaga yung order mo. You still need to set it at a reasonable price, di ba? So, I guess the answer is no, not necessarily. No? Ang bantayan nyo talaga, trigger price versus the last price. Yung limit price is the price that you want your order to be executed at. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Miss Diane. So, another question from an anonymous attendee. So, this one. Can I use both platform? Teka lang.
Both na, ano kaya to, Miss Jo? Na ano,
Okay,
no?
sorry. Ito si
May,
Sir Joel pala.
and sa May siguro, Sir Joel, no? Parang May at saka Pro, parang ganon. Tama kaya yung pagkakaintindi ko. Actually, kasi yung May natin and the mobile app, no? You can use it. Yun yung default natin, no? Yun yung default na may access kayo once you open an account with First Metrosec. Yung Pro is, yun, subject to eligibility requirements. So kung, for example, may Pro ka, pwede mo gamitin yung login credentials mo to access My. For some reason, gusto mong mag-My. Di, sige, pwede mo gamitin yung login credentials mo. Or sa mobile app, you just use the same login credentials. So, yes, sir, you can use both naman po.
Okay, thank you, Miss Dayan. So, actually, some of the questions dito sa ating Q&A, more of suggestions na siya. Checking lang sa ating chat box. So, we have a question here from Sir Abraham. How do you invest in feeder funds using USD? So, I think I can
Okay.
share.
Sige, Ms. Jo. Go ahead.
First is you have to have a dollar account with First Metro Sec because you can maintain a peso and a dollar account with us. So if you have a dollar account, you have access to the dollar denominated funds. You can access them sa FundSmart platform or FundSmart section ng aming platform. So maybe Ms. Dayan, you can also share some thoughts about this question po.
Yung feeder funds, no, ma'am?
Yes.
Oo. All right. So yung step one na sabi na ni Miss Jo, no, you'll need to open a dollar denominated account with us. Again, I just want to emphasize, I know, Sir Abraham, this is not your question. But even if you have a peso account, you can still invest in feeder funds that are feeder funds that have underlying investment in, sabihin natin, US equities. Pwede yun. Kasi karamihan ng funds na nasa FundSmart, laging may ano yan, may peso at saka may dollar counterpart. So, hindi na siya parang barrier to entry na, ay, wala akong USD account, no? Hindi na ako mapag-invest, no? Sorry, I just wanted to mention that, no, for everyone's appreciation then. So, that's step one, if you want to invest using USD sa mga feeder funds. And then step two, lagi natin itong pinapaalala, especially if you're a new fund investor, sa FundSmart po, meron tayong client suitability assessment. This is an important step. Kasi we need to we need you need actually you as the investor, you need to know your risk profile. Kasi hindi pwedeng, kasi what if hindi ka pala suitable, no, for yung risk profile mo, yung risk tolerance mo, yung investment horizon mo, yung goals mo, baka hindi tugma dun sa gusto mong fund na pag-investan. So that's the second step. Take the CSA, no. It will tell you whether you are a conservative type of investor, o kaya you accept moderate risk, or aggressive ka. And then once you have that risk profile in place, yun, pwede ka nang mag-invest saan? Sa FundSmart. Sorry. Through what? Through FundSmart, di ba? Punta ka sa, di ba, I'm sure everyone is familiar with the stock tab. Bisitahin niyo po yung funds tab natin. You'll see FundSmart there. And then yung feeder funds are, if you're going to use the sorting capability of FundSmart, no, pumunta po kayo sa equities. Kasi most of the although not exclusively just equity funds, pero most of the feeder funds that we have in FundSmart are classified as equities, or ganun kinaklasify ng system. So sir, ilang steps na ba yun? so, so may risk profile ka na, and then pumunta ka na ng FundSmart, and then just click subscribe. It's as easy as subscribe, sorry, buying stocks, no. So iba lang yung tawag natin, subscribe and redeem. And then I also want to highlight, meron tayong cut off for the order. So it's not as real time, no, as stock, as trading stocks, no. May turnaround time tayo for funds. But I digress. I hope I answered your question, sir. Nasagot ko ba, Miss Jo? Help me out here.
Yes. Thank you, Miss
Okay.
Diane. That is
Thank you.
actually a very concise answer, no?
Sorry.
Saka may
Sorry. Thank
additional
you.
inputs pa din. Ayun. Sige, so checking the chat box, we have a question here from Sir O'Neill. I think I can answer this one. For the 200K requirement, is it supposed to be also for this month only? Actually, hindi, sir. As long as you have a portfolio na of at least 200,000, yung sa trading lang yung dapat within the month, no? So that is also whether buying or selling. So if you qualify or you meet any of the two, so feel free to email customer service. And also, actually, I saw another question here. Sorry. Ayun. Miss Dayan, maybe you can answer this one. It is from Sir Mark. Can we make a conditional order, stop limit order, even if the market is closed?
The stop limit, yes. Yes, you can.
Okay.
I think yung lang, yung hindi yata kaya is OCO. That needs to be placed during trading hours.
All right. Thank you, Miss Dayan. And I think ayun, some of the questions actually more of suggestions din talaga siya. But let me just share to you one comment lang from our attendee, from Miss Lian. So sabi niya, the active trader module is nice. Similarly, can you consider a dividend investor module where one can have dividend specific list, views, as well as visually set up long expiration conditional orders? I think okay din ito i-share no, sa ating suggestion later. So, ano pa ba? I think majority, actually, more of suggestions na siya. So, I think it's perfect na for me, no, to share our feedback form. So, again, so I guess that's all the questions we received. And before we officially end, so let me just share to you our feedback form. Again, we value your thoughts. So we encourage everyone that is still here, no, with us, to share or maybe spare 2 or 3 minutes of your time to share your comments or even suggestions, lalo na yung mga improvements that we want to apply sa platform and then sa application. So again, for the future topics you want us to discuss, or just maybe how we can improve your learning experience. So you just scan the QR code on your screen to access the form, and also Tim will be sharing the quick access link sa ating chat box. So again, everyone, I believe that is a very fruitful and very insightful discussion, no? of our first MetroSec Pro platform. So thank you so much for staying until the end of this webinar. Thank you also to our guest speaker, Miss Diane. So we are
Thank
looking
you, Miss
forward
Jo.
for another sessions with you, no? So maybe you can share some parting words before we end our attendees.
Parting words. We still have some exciting features. No, I gave a preview earlier during my discussion point. So yeah, please wait for announcements. No, I can't really fully disclose on the exact on the specifics. No, but we have lots of new features in store. We really value your feedback. Again, we design these features with you in mind. No? So we really uh take into consideration your feedback. No? That's it. Wait for our features, upcoming new features by the end of the year.
All right. So that's exciting, you know. So again, thank you everyone for attending this session. So we hope to see you in our upcoming webinars. And as always, here at First Metro Securities, we invest in knowledge because we put your future first. Again, thank you everyone and have a great evening. Thank you, Miss Diane. Thank you, Tim.
Thank you, everyone.